Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I want to share with you my CaC calcium tablets review. Please watch the full video. Why choose CaC 1000 plus orange? Calcium deficiency is a prevalent issue in Pakistan as one in every two women suffer from this condition. It has double calcium in the form of calcium carbonate and calcium lactate gluconate in an effervescent format. Combined, the quantity of calcium is in line to support the average daily requirements of an adult. How to use? Dissolve one effervescent tablet of CaC 1000 plus orange flavor in a glass of water every day. Doesn't matter even if you take it with milk. Calcium citrate can be taken with or without food. Stomach acid produced while eating helps your body absorb calcium carbonate. So, calcium carbonate should be taken with food. You can also take calcium supplements in the morning or at night. A glass of daily calcium helps you to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Stay fresh, strong, and hydrated with CAC 1000 plus. Maintain strong bones. When to use it? Calcium and vitamin D deficiency is one of the major causes of weak bones. Long term lack of calcium and vitamin D deficiency can cause osteoporosis, which make the bones porous and fragile. Malaise and fatigue and osteopenia are some of the conditions in which there is loss of calcium in the body. CAC 1000 plus is recommended for everyone to meet the daily calcium requirements of the body and help maintain strong bones. How does it work? CAC 1000 plus is a calcium supplement. It contains calcium lactate gluconate, calcium carbonate, vitamin D3, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. CAC 1000 plus plays a vital role in making up for the calcium deficiency that your daily diet fails to provide your body. One tablet of CaC 1000 plus is recommended for adults above 7 years of age. If you have a serious medical problem, seek immediate medical attention. We can take CaC daily. This can fulfill our daily need of calcium and vitamins. This can harm kidneys if we take 2000 plus tablets daily. These tablets are common and so helpful for us.